Ever pondered over the hurdles that loom large in the realm of online trading? The volatility of the markets, the constant need for swift decision-making, the sheer volume of data to be analyzed, and the potential for substantial losses due to a lack of accurate information. Quite a handful, isn't it? In the midst of these challenges emerges a beacon of hope, the SIPAi bot, a remarkable invention of the 21st century. This ingenious tool is not just another bot in the crowd, but a revolution in online trading, transcending boundaries of cryptocurrencies, fiat currencies, forex, and gold. The SIPAi bot harnesses the power of artificial intelligence, a technology that has taken the world by storm. It thrives on the ability to analyze copious amounts of data, swiftly and efficiently. But what sets it apart? It's the ability to make rapid decisions based on this analysis, a trait that is quintessential in the dynamic world of online trading, where every second counts. Imagine a tool that tirelessly works for you, sifting through data, making informed decisions, and executing trades. A tool that doesn't succumb to emotional trading, that doesn't sleep, that is relentlessly focused on one objective: minimizing the possibility of losses. That's the SIPAi bot for you. But don't just take our word for it. Give the SIPAi bot a spin. Experience firsthand how it can transform your online trading journey, making it smoother, more efficient, and with minimized risks. The SIPAi bot is not just a tool, it's your partner in the journey of online trading, a partner that's got your back. So why wait? Embark on your online trading journey with the SIPAi bot. Trust us, you'll wonder how you ever traded without it.